what is quantitative easing? It was basically injecting money into the system, into the economy, right? So now what has happened is markets have become so much used to central banks pumping in more money that whenever the central banks talk about withdrawing this money, it creates a financial instability. So basically what it is saying is whenever central banks say, or the US federal bank says कि we will take back this quantitative easing, it directly leads to market volatility. Okay, or market basically crashes down. Okay, so that is the trap. Okay, so quantitative easing infinity trap is basically a situation in which markets have become so dependent on quantitative easing that at any point of time, if the central bank talks about withdrawing this support, it causes financial instability. Okay, so if the central bank merely hints at slowing or stopping quantitative easing, markets react very sharply and your stock prices all go down. Okay, so that is your quantitative easing infinity trap.